Student, in this video I will show symmetrical columns with eccentric loading about one axis. Let's consider a column ABCD subjected to an eccentric load about YY axis. Let P the eccentric load acting on the column and E is the eccentricity of load, B is the width of the column section and D is the thickness of column. And area of the column section we can write A is equal to B into D. So the moment of inertia about the YY axis is equal to 1 by 12 dB cube and the section modulus Z is equal to I by Y. So Y is equal to, here put B by 2, so it becomes dB square by 6. We know that the column with eccentric loading having two stresses, one is direct stress and another is bending stress. So direct stress we can write sigma 0 is equal to P by A and the bending stress we can write sigma B is equal to M by Z. Here M we put P into E and Z I by Y. So putting all this value it becomes 6P into E dB into B. Here dB we put A. So we can say this eccentric load causes a direct stress as well as bending stress. So the total stress at extreme fiber is equal to sigma 0 plus minus sigma B. So it becomes P by A plus minus 6PE by A into B or P by A plus minus M by Z. So these equations in terms of eccentricity or in terms of section modulus. Here seen that the stress will maximum at the corners B and C because these corners are nearer to the load, and here the stress will minimum at the corner A and D because these corners are away from the load. So the maximum stress we can write sigma max is equal to P by A plus 6PE by A into B or P by A plus M by Z, or sigma mean is equal to P by A minus 6P into E by A into B or P by A minus M by Z. So from the above equation we find that if sigma 0 is greater than sigma B, sigma 0 is greater than sigma B, then sigma max have a positive value as well as sigma mean is positive value. In this case, two stresses are positive, so we take the positive value as a compressive in nature. And if sigma 0 is equal to sigma V, sigma 0 is equal to sigma B, then it comes sigma max is equal to 2 sigma B or sigma mean is equal to sigma 0. In this case also the stresses comes in positive nature, but at the corner A and D it is 0 and at the B and C it maximum, that is sigma max 2 sigma B. But if sigma 0 is less than sigma B, then the stresses will changes its sign, that is partly compressive or partly tensile. That means sigma max is positive and sigma mean is negative. Thank you.